In this video, I'm going to barbecue this golf club. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is my DIY golf club restoration channel, and one of the chapters in my book is all about raw finishes like black oxide, brown oxide, forced rust. But one of the more unique raw finishes is a torched or oil can finish where you can actually change the color of the club by heating it with a torch. But someone the other day asked me, could I just stick it in the grill instead and get the same result? I don't know. So I thought, you know what? It's a beautiful fall day in Kansas City. I got football on. Why not barbecue a golf club? Here's a few rules we have to follow. One, has to be a carbon steel club. Can't be a stainless steel club. You could get some color changes in the stainless steel club, but not like we're going to see with the carbon steel club. Second rule, has to be raw. And if you don't know how to make a club raw, there's a chapter in my book on how to do that, or I'll link to a video in the description where I changed the Vokey wedge to raw club and then I did black oxide on it. And third, again, has to be spotless clean. We're going to clean it with acetone and then keep your grubby hands off the club so that we don't get fingerprints on it. So I'm going to stick it in the grill, fire it up, and let's just see what happens. Here's the dorky nerd stuff. When oxygen bonds with steel, it creates a layer called an oxidation layer. If you increase the temperature of the steel, the thickness of the oxidation layer gets bigger and bigger and bigger, so that when light passes through it, it actually changes the wavelength of the light, giving the appearance of different colors. It's definitely changing colors. You guys see this? Well, that took forever. Forgot about daylight savings time. All right, there it is. Not even sure what color that is. I went through all the cool colors like the golds and the purples and the blues. I should have stopped there. Now I'm at this weird like cremation color. Touched it on your behalf. Ruined it there, but yeah. If you like these experiments, please hit that subscribe button. That really helps me out. And if you want to learn how to restore your clubs at home, check out my book and I'll walk you through how to do it step by step. Thanks a lot.